Hello guys, my name is Jason and you're watching Cybertech 360. In this video I'll show you how to hack games using Lucky Patcher. So open Lucky Patcher first. It's very easy. You can hack in-game purchases. So these two games can be hacked because in-app purchase is found. So I'll go to open menu of pages and support page for in-app and LVL emulation. Click that and then apply. Then wait a while. Patching classes.dex. Lucky Pitcher can hack games with Google Play payment service. Other games like Shadow Fight and Clash of Clans can't be hacked using Lucky Pitcher because the payment method is. So after a while it's done. Support page for in-app and LVL elimination. So two patterns are success. So I'm going to launch the application. If you are using Android, you can rebuild and install the application. So check. Plus here and 375 bananas I'll buy and click yes. Buy succeeded. So this game has been successfully hacked. So look at the bananas. You can buy as much as you want. So I'll buy those. Then those. So I'll try to hack the next game. What the game? Oops. Benji bananas. So open menu of pages, support page for, and then it will again take some time. Again I'm saying this won't work for every game, but it could work for some software with in-app purchases using GPay or Google Pay, so it can hack those, but it can't hack online games such as Pokemon Go, Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, like those. It's you have 28% luck. So I'll launch. It means the application's hacked, I think. So where was it? So I'll plus here, then I'll get those bananas. Yes. So look at this, it's done. Look at the bananas. So it's hacked. So it's a very useful tools. You can also remove Google Ads. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to the channel and leave a like below if you enjoyed. Bye bye, take care, and I'll meet you in the next video.